Oh, running a business means handling income, expenses, and taxes. Recently, I heard about advance tax, but I wasn't sure what it meant. Instead of guessing, I decided to visit a tax consultant for expert advice.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Taxova Consultants. How can we assist you?
Good morning. I need advice on advance tax for my business. I'd like to consult Mr. Abhinav.
Sure, sir. Please take a seat. I'll inform Mr. Abhinav right away.
Welcome, Mr. Rajkumar. How can I assist you?
Sir, I run a snack shop and recently learned about advance tax. I want to know what it is, why I should pay it, and how it's calculated.
Absolutely. Advance tax means paying your income tax in installments before the end of the financial year, instead of paying it all at once while filing your income tax return. According to Section 208 of the Income Tax Act, 1961, if your total tax liability for the year is more than 10,000 rupees, you must pay advance tax in 4 installments.
Why should I pay tax in advance? Can't I pay it at the end of the year?
Great question! Paying advance tax offers several benefits. First, avoids large year-end payments. Instead of a big financial burden, you pay smaller amounts over time. Second, prevents penalties and interest. Late payments attract interest under Sections 234B and 234C. Third, ensures smooth government revenue collection. This helps the government manage funds efficiently.
Who needs to pay advance tax?
You need to pay advance tax if you are a business owner, professional, or freelancer with annual tax liability exceeding 10,000 rupees. You do not have full TDS deduction covering your tax liability. Exception: if you opt for the presumptive taxation scheme, Section 44, AD/44 ADA, and your turnover is below 2 crore rupees, you need to pay the entire advance tax in one installment by the 15th of March.
Can you show me how to calculate it with an example?
Sure, with an annual income of 15 lakh rupees, age below 60, tax under the old regime is 2,73,000 rupees as shown in the table. And under the new regime is 1,56,000 rupees as shown in the table.
Sir, when do we pay advance tax? And what are the legal sections?
Advance tax is paid in 4 installments as per Section 211 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Due dates and percentages. First, 15th June, 15% of total tax liability. 2. 15th September, 45% of total tax liability. Third, 15th December, 75% of total tax liability. Fourth, 15th March, 100% of total tax liability. Please note, presumptive taxpayers pay full tax by 15th March. Key legal sections. Section 208. Anyone with tax liability over 10,000 rupees must pay advance tax. Section 211 defines the installment schedule. Section 234B 1% interest per month if 90% of tax is unpaid by the 31st of March. Section 234C 1% interest per month for late missed installments. Section 44 AD and 44 ADA, presumptive taxpayers pay once by 15th March. For example, for a taxpayer with 15 lakh rupees taxable income, old regime tax liability 2,73,000 rupees, new regime tax liability 1,56,000 rupees. Advance tax payments are made in installments as shown in the table.
Thank you, Mr. Abhinav. This made advance tax clear.
You're welcome. Pay on time to avoid penalties. Taxover Consultants is here to help.